193. Please follow the rules. Follow the rules, please. Yes, follow all the rules. 194. Don't be sad. Please don't be sad. Don't feel sad. 195. I am very fat. Yes, I am fat. I am overweight. 196. Please stop here. Stop here, please. Yes, stop at this place. 197. Don't jump on the bed. Please don't jump on the bed. Stop jumping on the bed. 198. I like dancing. Yes, I really like dancing. I enjoy dancing a lot. 199. Please read this book. Read this book, please? Yes, read this book now. 200. Don't laugh at others. Please don't laugh at others. Stop laughing at others. 201. Please clean the room. Please clean the room now. Can you clean the room, please? 202. I'm really busy today. Yes, I am very busy today. I'm quite busy today. 203. The phone is ringing. Yes, the phone is ringing. I think the phone is ringing. 204. Please pick up the phone. Can you pick up the phone? Pick up the phone, please. 205. I'll call you later. Yes, I will call you later. I'll call you back later. 206. Who is calling? Can you tell me who is calling? Who's on the line? 207. Please bring me a glass of water. Can you bring me some water? Please get me a glass of water. 208. Don't make excuses. Please don't make excuses. Stop making excuses. 209. I need to charge my phone. Yes, I have to charge my phone. My phone needs charging. 210. Where is the charger? Do you know where the charger is? Can you find the charger? 211. Please close the window. Can you close the window? Close the window, please. 212. I have an idea. Yes, I got an idea. I have a good idea. 213. Don't waste time. Please don't waste time. Try not to waste time. 214. I'm getting late. Yes, I am getting late. I'm running late. 215. Let's go shopping. Shall we go shopping? Yes, let's go for shopping. 216. I'll pay the bill. Yes, I will pay the bill. I'll handle the bill. 217. Who will cook today? Can you tell me who will cook today? Who is cooking today? 218. It's getting dark. Yes, it's getting dark now. The sky is getting dark. 219. Please wake me up early. Can you wake me up early? Wake me up early, please. 220. Don't touch it. Please don't touch it. Don't touch that, okay? 221. Please wait for me. Can you wait for me? Wait for me, please. 222. I don't like this.